this video, we will look at the property of 1. Let's see what happens if we add by 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And 3 plus 1 equals 4. We can see by adding with 1, we change the value. Therefore, 1 is not an identity element of addition. What happens if we subtract by 1? So 2 minus 1 equals 1. And 3 minus 1 equals, by subtracting by 1, we change the value. This means that 1 is not an identity element of subtraction. Now let's multiply by 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. And 3 times 1 equals 3. We can see by multiplying with 1, we did not change the value. See if this is true for division. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. And 3 divided by 1 equals 3. So multiplying or dividing by 1 does not change the value of our answer. This means that 1 is an identity element of multiplication and division. So now let's practice by completing the following equation. Would this equation be true for all natural numbers, no natural numbers, or only one natural number? Let's start by replacing the placeholder with any natural number. In this case, we will use 1. 5 divided by 1 equals 5, which means this equation is not true. So let's use another example. If we use 0, 5 divided by 0, our answer will be correct. In math, it is always undefined. This means that for this equation, no natural numbers will make the equation true. Let's look at the next example. Will this equation be true for all natural numbers, no natural numbers, or only one natural number? We can start by replacing the placeholder with any natural number. We will use 2. 2 times 1 equals 2, which means for 2 this equation is not true. Now let's replace the placeholder with another natural number. We will use 0. So 0 times 1 equals 0. So this makes this equation true. So only one natural number, namely 0, will make this equation true. Now let's look at the last example. Will this equation be true for all natural numbers, no natural numbers, or only one natural number? We can start by replacing the placeholder with any natural number. In this case, I will use 9. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. This means that this equation will only be true for one natural number, which is 9. Now, can you explain in one sentence what an identity element of multiplication and division is?